Hello guys, this will be raw and unedited, this video. Just want to make it a quick one and get it up. It is covering phone and internet service while on the road. So East Coast is pretty good. There is, some problem areas. We've run with one phone Telstra, one phone Optus, both on the East Coast, fine. No real major issues. There was times where Optus internet was better than Telstra internet, but both fairly the same, equal. And then that Great Dividing Range area still okay. Soon as you head west from the ranges, that's it, my friends. So you have Telstra basically in every single town, but here it is. You only have enough phone service to support phone calls and text messages. You don't have enough phone service to support internet. That's why I posted, we're going to start, trying for weekly videos, and then it went for a while and stopped. Then they've started again. So I had started scheduling stuff that I had already done while I had enough internet to support it. And then what I've done is had not enough phone service to support that. So while we're on the road and not earning money from any of our social media, we don't see a need yet at this stage to improve our internet and stuff like that. It may change if you subscribe, we might get there and earn a little bit of money, but no internet. So the other thing is East Coast distance ed and any form of schooling, you guys also need to take note, because once again you still don't have enough internet service or internet access to be able to do all these videos or access the Google Drives and get videos for the lessons or do video lessons. So it's schooling then on the road then can become challenging, and they are learning a lot more on the road. We only focus on English and maths, and we struggle at times. Now, the further you move away from the East Coast, so once you get to the Territory, but again, it's only been really Catherine. I had phone service on the Optus, but still not enough internet. And even with the Telstra, there wasn't enough internet. Then Darwin is the only place so far that we've actually had enough internet to support everything. Now we've been warned, WA, the West Coast, is even worse. So we will post when we can post. We will post videos when we can post videos. When we can, I will try and have them all scheduled for 5 o'clock Friday still, Sydney time. Okay, another issue that the East Coast don't realise, and the East Coast takes for granted, is fresh fruit and veg. Some of these places only get one truck a week, so the quality of the fresh fruit and veg isn't great. And for those that don't know, you can't take your fresh fruit and veg to WA, so do not stock up on fresh fruit and veg if you're heading towards WA. Okay, there's tip number 1. So look, we do survive with frozen veg, and we've got canned veg and canned fruit, and I try and buy the fruit that is in natural juices and it's in juice rather than syrups, for nutrition. Really these days, nutrition wise, they're not terrible. All that stuff isn't terrible, But yeah, fresh produce is a thing. And another thing is, depending on where all the fresh produce is coming from, if there's natural disasters, then that stuff can't get through. So when we were in Hervey Bay, it was flooding on the Sunshine Coast and Brisbane and the Gold Coast, and then went down into northern New South Wales. The trucks were all cut off, so it got to a point we were getting low on food, but we weren't bad. But milk for coffee is not good, and we don't drink black coffee, and it came this close to drinking black coffee.